In this guide, we'll show you how to reinstall Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Whether you're dealing with technical issues or preparing your device for sale, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. You'll also have the option to keep your files or remove everything. Let's get started. First, click the Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. From there, select System on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click on Recovery. Under Recovery Options, you'll see Reset this PC. Click the Reset PC button to begin. Next, choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. If you're planning to sell or give away your device, selecting Remove Everything is usually the better option. After that, you'll be asked how you'd like to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows, or Local Reinstall, which uses files already on your device. In this example, we'll use the local option. You'll then see a summary of what will happen. Click Next, review the details, and if you're sure, click Reset to start the process. Your computer will restart and begin reinstalling Windows 11. If you choose to remove everything, make sure to back up any important files beforehand, as they will be permanently deleted.